But at the end of the day, I am happy. My father's dream has come true. And this is what I would always remember this project for.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jilla, uba longru Menteri ke Kampen Roy Sor, uba Sneow Bhalang Dhar, haringkat ke jingya don lang ke Menteri bat ke MLE ke Than, ke Kong Amperin Ling Do, menta ke sengi ke Khat Lai Terik Unok Pra, Ar Hajar Ar Phulai, kila lek banjurip ia ke jingtei Thamai, jong ke yau laj umkra. Nakaliang usambut Menteri Rangba uba Sneow Bhalang ulayatu bakani ke projek kakot hadu lai phupra kror bat ulayatu ru bayakawat baningkong lani ke first phase jong ke projek en pendep no hakatayo baningkong ubenai leber jong usnem banwan. Haba kren syakilat patai kubur ke MLE kalau ong bakani ke yo kade ke projek ke bahe bat ki nong lat umkra kin kan mau haki snem banwan ru kalau ong ru ba ar pohunyo snem hadin ba uba Peter G Marban yang ulaklat lala banwan ra ikani ke projek na ka benta ki nong syong snong kalat umkra bat ki banyo jing mentoy ning kong kan dehi yaki nong lat umkra.
I was able, along with the Honorable Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, to go to the highest level of the building, which again was not there earlier. We are now familiar. We are looking at spaces, we're looking at allocation, we're looking at relocation. So this is part one of the project. There's going to be a second phase. We're looking at parking, we're looking at sanitization, we're looking at facilities for vendors, we're looking for comfort of shoppers. So this huge integrated project will be something that the people of Limca will remember for years to come. This is in honor of my late father, Peter Garnet Marbanyang. 27 years after he is no longer with us, we have brought this project to the people of Limca. The first beneficiaries must be the people of Limca. We should not compromise on that. We must empower hundreds of young people who have a business built and a business mind. Not anyone can engage in business. We will have an evaluation system that will be as per requirements, and we will see what can we do to utilize these facilities efficiently. Second part of the project is also going to be big. We are looking at the inclusion of Darbar land. Now that the Darbar has a land adjacent to the market, we are looking at bringing for them a huge community infrastructure, which will include office for the Darbar, office for the Seng Samlang, office for the Seng Longkmi, space for conference, space for parking. So it will be a good thing. I hope that the Darbar will work hand in hand with the government, and I hope that the soreness of that land for its various difficult times will be forgotten, and I am confident that this integrated project will be the best thing to facelift further the town of Lathinka and the city of Shillong, and I hope that it will be a place where we will be able to generate happiness, employment. Good things will happen here in this complex.
So when is the targeted time to complete this project?
Targeted period for the completion of the project was slated, if I remember correctly, March 2024. There will be some overlapping of time. We will lose a bit because there were certain utilities that needed to be attended to. We needed to relocate vendors from this location. When you saw the fire came, we were very challenged with all of those difficulties. I expect that by December 2024, we will at least be able to see the start of Project 2, Phase 2. And I am happy and grateful to the government of India as well for the funds that have been allocated to this project through the Smart City scheme of the government.
And do we see Limca will be hawkers free after the completion of this?
No. Do not connect this project with hawkers. They are completely two different things. We already have a plan for hawkers. I will disclose the plan as and when the time is correct. You know that there are legal entanglements. There is a vendor case that is going on. The hawkers are also approaching the court for certain requirements, for certain justifications of their relocations. We already have a plan which is away from this project. Do not mix these two things. This is a project for the people of the constituency, particularly people of Langshan. And we should remember that every time these kinds of markets come up, always when a market comes in Polo, they say this is first for the people of Polo. When a market comes in Laban, they'll say this is first for the people of Laban. I feel that it is just fair that we should first accommodate the people of Lagansha first, who will be the main beneficiaries of this project. But yes, modern day markets require collaboration, interfacing. We want to see good restaurants coming up here. We want to see a huge food court at the terrace location. We want to accommodate Seng Samla plans. We want to accommodate other plans that are going to be good for the people of Lanka. Now, there will be complications, there will be challenges, there will be tussles. But at the end of the day, I am happy. My father's dream has come true. And this is what I will always remember this project for.
Season's greetings to all our patients. In order to celebrate the Christmas spirit, Mia Eye Clinic will be having a pre-Christmas sale on all frames with flat 40% off on 16 December 2023. Also, a free eye checkup from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. will be conducted on the same day. Join us to help you see the world better. For information and registration, call 825-700-3176.